All right, guys, this is band-resisted gait training. What you're gonna need is a super band and something to attach it to. I got my Power X. Now, when you're doing this exercise, it should not be a balance exercise. There's a time and a place for everything. We're not training balance right now. That being said, make sure when you attach this band, you have something to lean against. So, proper starting position for this, our hip is gonna be hinged out to the side with our hip extended. You're squeezing your butt. You should feel the weight on the outside and the ball of the foot of the stance leg. And you're gonna drive this leg forward. Don't think about picking it up. You're not picking it up, you're driving it forward. So drive that leg forward, and that band is gonna pull you this way. Don't let it. That's the whole purpose of the exercise. Can you pick your leg up straight forward and put it straight down without letting that band pull your foot out to the side? Many of you are gonna find that you can't do that, and you need to work on it. Make sure you watch the hacky sack video if you think you need to strengthen the hip external rotators. Enjoy.